हरि ओम कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कविता वनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिं जयत्यति बलो रामः लक्ष्मणस्य महाबलः राजा जयति सुग्रीवो राघवेण विपालितः दासोऽहं कौसलेन्द्रस्य रामस्य अक्लिष्टकर्मणः हनुमान् शत्रुसैन्यानां निहन्ता मारुतात्मजः न रावणसहस्रं मे युद्धे प्रतिफलं भवेत् शिलाभिस्तु प्रहृतः पादपैश्च सहस्रशः अर्धयित्वा पुरीं लङ्काम् अभिवाद्य च मैथिलीं समुद्धार्तो गमिष्यामि मिषतां सर्वराक्षसां नमोऽस्तु रामाय सलक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै नमोऽस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमो निलेभ्यः नमोस्तु चंद्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः नमः सभायै। आज तो संभ्रम दिन, पितृपूजन दिन। पश्चिम देशों में ये दिन तो पितृपूजन के लिए अलग रख दिए, परंतु सनातन धर्म में प्रतिदिन मातु पिता पूजन ही होता है। In addition to that, it is International Yoga Day too. So in this day, life management and Ramayana Charcha तो इतना apt. What else to say more than the affection of Dasarath is going to go away today, showing lot of affection to Ram. That is उसकी मेहरबानी. We didn't plan this gatta, this charcha. आज का चर्चा तो दशरथ father's affection, पितृ स्नेह, अंतिम दिन, अंतिम क्षण for राजा दशरथ. पूर्वकथा संग्रहश्च. So the Vriddha Mata Pita of the Muni Kumar were so dejected seeing their son lying down on the sand of Sarayu. Karadhandastau swapitarau swaskande shravano vahan kashim netum yayau vaishyo dharmavadha bhayanishi. Everywhere we talk, Sishtachar mein we say that the Muni Kumar was Shravana Kumar. But very few knew where the name Shravana Kumar came. Shravana Kumar is a Pitru Bhakta. Ramji is a Pitru Bhakta. Shravana Kumar का बाप और माता दोनों पुत्र इतना वात्सल्य है उन दोनों में. यही तो राम की मेहरबानी. ऑन द डे ऑफ फादर्स डे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस. इन आनंद रामायण ओनली द मुनि कुमार्स नेम इज मेंशन्ड एज श्रवण. मैं तो काशी में एक पंडित से के चर्चा करता था 2 दिन पहले. वो महाराज ने मुझे ये आकार दिया. I said, where is the word reference? श्रवण कुमार सभी बोलते हैं श्रवण कुमार सिनेमा में आया. नहीं, वाल्मीकि ने रचना किया. करढंदस्थौ स्वपितरौ स्वस्कंधे श्रवणो वहन् काशीं नेतुं ययौ वैश्यो धर्मबाधा भयान्निशि. So Valmiki writes 2 other Ramayana. It is attributed to Valmiki. Some debate it too. One is Adbhuta Ramayana. Another one is Ananda Ramayana. Ananda Ramayana to Rasatmak. In the Prathama Sarga, it is divided into many Sarga, and the Prathama Sarga is known as Sarakanda. The Prathama Kanda of Ananda Ramayana is known as Sarakanda. The entire 7 Kandas of Valmiki Ramayana has been squeezed in this Ananda Ramayana as one Kanda known as Sarakanda. In that Sarakanda, Panchama Sarga is about this Munikumar Vrittanta. Imagine, Valmiki in Ananda Ramayana squeezes the entire 24,000 slokas into one sarga. It is known as Sarakanda. In that 5th sarga comes this Munikumara Vrittanta. He says, Munikumar was carrying them in a balance. Karadhandastau swapitarau swaskande shravano vahan. He is known as Shravana Kumar. He was carrying his mother and father on the balance, Kavadi. संस्कृत में करडंदस्तौ करडंब स्वपितरौ स्वस्कंदे. He was trying to take them to Kashi with bhakti. So nowhere else this story comes, but it is also Valmiki ki Vani. Kashim netum yayau vaishyo. He was a Vaishya, by businessman, by trade. Dharma bhada bhaya anishi. On a dark night, Vanadvipo na hantavyaschapi janannapi nripaha. Then the Sarcha, beautiful. Ananda Ramayana to Das did not know that so much pearls are hidden there. Okay, then unintentionally Dasarath ne us Muni Kumar Shravan ko maar diya. If somebody asks you, okay, you've been listening to this lecture, 102nd lecture, where is the word Shravana Kumar? Valmiki mein nahi. Giridhara Das totally omits Shravana Kumar Ghata. Tulsidas Ek Muni Kumar Shap, that's all he says. Then you should refer to Ananda Ramayan. Jas Jaisa Log, we believe that it is written by Valmiki Muni. But there are other people who are doing sarcha because of additional things that is there. Let's leave it. According to Kashi Pandits with whom I coordinate, this is Valmiki written. That's Adbhuta Ramayan. There is another Ramayan called Adbhuta Ramayan. Ye to Adhyatma Ramayan is basically about Adhyatma Charcha, Sastra Charcha. Whereas Adbhuta Ramayana is about unknown stories in Ramayana. So Valmiki has given different forms of Ramayana. Here, the question comes, why did this Muni give Shapa? Then how do you call a Muni? Great question. Nobody asked. Even Valmiki did not ask in Mula Ramayana. What happened? This Muni ne shap diya. Ye shap na ye Mangalacharan, we told last class. But then why did this Dasharatha had to go through this Putra Viyog? Self-made. But then why the words have to come from Muni's mouth? That you will also suffer from Putra Shoka like me. If that Muni, Shravan ka baap Muni to, he should not even curse because Shastra says, Tasmaat vadhyannapi prapannam na pratiprayachanti. Even somebody, Tasmaat vadhyan prapannam, if he had taken refuge in you, he should have been given a punishment of death sentence. But since he had taken refuge in you, Veda says, Yajurveda says, Tasmaat vadhyan prapannam napi na pratiprayachanti. The man who has given refuge should not take any revenge. This man is doing against Shastra. Why? So much sarcha on a Father's Day. Only Ananda Ramayan may hide. This is very important. The reason is not because Shravan was killed unintentionally by Dasaratha. The Muni would have forgiven it. But Phala Anudavati Karma, that one Shastra. Another Shastra says, what did Dasaratha do? Dasaratha, thinking that there is an elephant drinking water, he used Sabda Bhe, do prakar se, oh, you can use it Sapta Bhedi or Sapta Vedi, either way. It could split the sound and see which direction the sound came, and it will also understand Shabda Vedi. Okay. Then, if that is the case, what did he do? He killed unintentionally, thinking that he was killing an elephant. Shastra says this, imagine. Animals are there to be hunted. That too for a Kshatriya. That is also Samanya Shastra. But Shastra says what kind of animals you have to hunt. You can hunt an aja, but goat will not be in the forest. You can hunt a deer for its skin and its mamsa. Ram also did that. It is approved. You can hunt a lion because it bothers other animals. You can hunt a leopard, you can hunt a tiger. All are there. But Shastra says you cannot hunt an elephant. And you cannot hunt any animal that is coming to quench his thirst. This is Shastra. Vishesha Shastra, no Kavi, no writers have looked at it. Ananda Ramayan may hide. Because it is against Shastra. Dasaratha knowingly or unknowingly did a thing against Shastra. Shastra viruddhito dhand phala. And this Muni came as a vyaj. Muni came as a reason to take the phal for this karma which Dasaratha did, which is Shastra viruddh. Vanadvipo na hantavyaschati janannapi nripaha. One phrase. Imagine, काशी में आज भी ऐसा पंडित है, शब्द शब्द. Even to know them is bhagya. Anyway, Vanadvipo na hantavyaschati janannapi nripaha. Vanadvipaha, dvipipati iti dipaha. That too the elephant that is wandering in forest in search of water. Na hantavya, you cannot kill at any state, even knowingly or unknowingly. This Shastra, you may ask, did Dasaratha know? Was he studied under who? Vasishto Vamadevascha. He studied under Vasishtha. So you cannot fault Vasishtha. Vasishtha would have definitely told. That is the reason. Vaishyam Raja Dvipan Matva Vivyadasa Patatrinaha. So he had done wrong, which result will be there in all three lokas. Wherever he runs and hides, up, down, middle, earth, akash, dhyav, all the loka, patatrinaha, he will definitely get the phala for Shastra Viruddha. Shastra says, Vanadvipona antavyascheti janannapi nripaha vaishye raja dvipam matva vivyadasa patatrinaha purvakatha. Then, why did Kaikeyi do this mischief? Who is Kaikeyi? After all, Kaikeyi is a mata for Ramachandra Prabhu. If she is at least having a relationship with Ram, how can Kaikeyi do the mischief what he did? No answer. Other Grantha, Vyakhyana, nobody said. They said it is Vidhi, O Daivatam. There is a reason. Such pearls are there in Ananda Ramayana and Adbhuta Ramayana. Krishna Varnam Kritam Tena Shapta Te Api Avadataha. Kaikeyi was very young. Valmiki writes in the addendum. Kaikeyi was very young. She was a very mischievous lady in the Kaikeya Desha. One time, a Muni came and she took the mascara. With her left hand, she smeared on that Muni's face. Krishna Varnam Kritam Tena Shapta Te Pyapavadhataha Mukham Agre Nirikshyanti Naiva Loka Kadachana. That Rishi could not show his face anywhere. He was going on his own, like the Shravana Kumar was going. Then the Muni gave a sharp that you will have a situation when the entire world will say you are Kali, you are a Papi, you are Nrishamshe. Mukham agre nirikshyanti naiva loka kadachana. Nobody would want to see your face. Nobody want to hear your name. Nobody want to be near you. There comes a time when this situation will happen. Phalam anudhavati karma. Nobody in this sadas would have heard these two anecdotes which Das said. धन्य वो महाराज का. संस्कृत में वो बात करता है, हिंदी में भी नहीं करता. So, वो महाराज ने मुझे दिया. That is the reason. Then, Muni, they have to quell their anger. Like Shamika quelled, Shringi quelled, all that. Then she started serving the Muni. He got so happy. Hey Balakya, what do you want? See, he said, I have done mischiefs. But you will have bad name, but it will go away. Nobody is cursing Kaikeyi now. We all praise Kaikeyi. It is only because of her and Mantara this Ramayana happened. One. Second thing, since she used Baye Haath to smear that, he said, when you need this left hand, in case of utter need, this left hand will be like Indra's instrument. Vajra daisa hoga. इसीलिए कैकेयी ने वो दशरथ का चक्र को बाएं हाथ से सेव किया. ये आनंद रामायण में है. पूर्व कथा पितृस्नेह. So Dasharatha knows. This is also another reason. Ramayana to itna bhandar nidhi. Then this thing आज तो पितृ दिन, रामायण प्रत्यक्ष ग्रंथ. It is a mirror of the society. A kavya or a grantha or a epic kavya. Today's is a Father's Day. It should have content that is testable on all times. You test in Treta Yuga, you test in Dwapara Yuga, you test in Kali Yuga, you test in next Kalpa. Whatever the Shastra, whatever the Satya Vachana Valmiki has written. Machanda Deva Saraswati. What are we studying? Pitru Bhakti, Ram ka, Shravana Kumar ka. Pitru Vatsalyam, Dasharath ka. Matru Vatsalyam, Ma Kausalya ka. He wrote many, many thousand years back. Is it valid today? Das ka, Chintanta. Why Pita? It is only because him Das is there. Pita putrena pitruman yoni yonau. Pita. Who is Pita? Veda says, Mahavishnu. Vishnor ardham mahabhagam putram Aishwakunandanam. Vishnor ardham mahabhagam Aishwakunandanam. Ardham mane, you can simply meaning is half. No, the Amarakosh says Ardham mane sthan, Ardham mane roop. Vishnu ka roop. You cannot literally take the meaning Ardha mane half. Yes, it is half. But Amarakosha says different meaning. Sthanam. Vishnu sthanam in the world is Rama. Vishnu ardham mahabhagam putram Aishwakunandanam Dasaratanandanam Pita putrena pitruman yoni yonau. Tick mark. सेकंड, आज भी इस गोष्ठी में इतना पिताओं है. दास का वॉट एवर आई नो, एवरीबडी टेक्स केयर ऑफ देयर ओन चिल्ड्रन. ये आदमी है, उसका नाम जीतूबाई. ही नॉट ओनली राइज्ड 3 girls, but I have gone to his house only twice. He thinks that I should go more, but once he told me, first visit, I went with my son. He said, this is the place first Mithubai and Viral came after they got married. So he showed love and affection and kept that family grow. What happened? That Mithubai has raised 2 kids. Both have gone, one is going to Berkeley, the other one has already gone to Berkeley. So, Pita Putrena Pitruman Pratyaksha. Another, Kanubhai Patel or Srimati Geeta. I don't know them much, but here and there. But I have seen how his son Tarun Patel and uski Sahadarmani Jigna Patel, they are raising their daughter. She is also telling their names and stories. Pita Putrena Pitruman. Yahi Ramayan. Whatever that day Valmiki wrote, because it is Brahma Vakya, Mat Chandadeva Saraswati. You cannot debate that you didn't raise your son well. That society knows. Since it is Father's Day, I am talking about father. Ladies, don't get me wrong. Wohi Katavachak ka Chamatkar. Now, I am not praising myself. So, Shastra agrees to that. So, Ram is a Bhakta, Pitru Bhakta. He is somewhere there, but the story is on the other side of Ganga, on the other side of Sarayu. This man has hurt a Muni Kumar, but then he did not run away. If he had run away, Valmiki himself says, he did a papa. He did Brahmahati. Literally, it is not Brahmahati, wo charcha humne kiya. For whatever reason, he had killed a human being, so his head should have blown into 7 pieces. But he went and agreed and accepted the mistake. So, he said, if he accepted the mistake and did the mischief knowingly, his head would burst into 1,000 pieces. So, hiding a crime and being a party to a crime is more than being a crime maker. 7,000. But the Muni was so compassionate that because you have to get an outcome of this karma, phalam anudavati karma, you will also suffer the putra shoka like me. That too, to who he said? He said to the father of Sriyapati, father of Purushottama. How was he? Was so attached. That is also a problem. He was so attached not to Paramatma, but the incarnation of Paramatma. When great munis like Vishwamitra comes, hey, they come to beg Dasaratha. Please, Gadi Sutta, go tell that I am the son of Gadi has come. Everybody tremors. Dasaratha runs. We have studied. Remind. He says, give your son. That Shyama Vadana, usko do. That Kariya Semmalaita Shyam Vadana usko do. Vishwamitra gives reference to Ram as Shyam Vadana. Usko do mujhe. He didn't want to give. I'll give everything. I will send my army. The affection comes. Then he says, Una Shodasha Varsho me Ramo Rajiva Lochana Na Yuddha Yogyatam Asya Pashyami Saha Rakshasai. Akshara Swarna is sloka. Una Shodasha Varsho me Ramo Rajiva Lochana Na Yuddha Yogyatam Asya Pashyami Saha Rakshasai. That is the reason. Ajnana. Dasarath is still revolving in Ajnan. We have to take to Balakanda. This comes in Balakanda. Now you think he is going to give his life. He should know it's nothing. It's karma bandh. Tyag karo. It's not easy. Nobody in this Goshti will say that I'm okay to give my life. Nobody in this Kali Yuga. I bet. Even any sannyasi here. It's Kali ka Maya. But what he says, Una Shodasha Varsho me, why I picked this sloka is to tell this kind of unlimited affection as an ordinary father this man has to the Parama Purusha, Pita Putrena Putriman, Yoni Yona Una Shodasha Varsho me. Then how you use, my son has a lotus eye, Ramo Rajiva Lochana. Kya lotus, kya pulla fool, nothing, everything is. Ram is beyond all this. Ramo Rajiva. He does not have the capability. Na yodhyam sakyate. Na yuddham yogyatam asya. Against Rakshasas. This man is against all the Rakshasas. Nimitta matrena, chintan matrena, he could do samhara. But because he has to come as a sajatiya and do the duty, put atmanam manusham manye ramam dasaratatmajam. So this kind of a father is not able to bear the separation of his son. This Dasharatha knew. He didn't tell anybody according to Valmiki Ramayana. But Dasharatha knew that something is going to happen. That is the reason, in the absence of Bharata, he did not invite even his Sambandhi. He did not even invite Kausalya's father. He did not even invite Janaka. Rushingly, he called the Sabha, Badi Sabha, and said, tomorrow in Pushya Nakshatra, it was just a birthday for Rama. Punarvasudin, Chaitra Mase, Vasanta Rutu, Rama came to pay his obeisance to his father. It's like he is a dutiful son to a beloved father. He comes. All of a sudden, without even consulting Vasishtha. He did not consult Vasishtha. In the Sabha, he is asking everybody, and one among them was Vasishtha. He knew. He says that I'm getting bad omen, so it is important that I don't have to wait for anybody. People assemble here, I have made the decision. What you say? Then what can you say if a Raja asks in those days? Forget it. But who is he asking for? Rama. Ramo, Ramo, Ramo iti prajanam abhavan kata Rama kata. Rama jagat abhut. Rama Mabhut. So people were so mesmerized with Rama. Then they immediately said, Icha Mohi Mahabhagum Ramam Dasaratatmajam. Icha Mohi, we are all happy. Bring Rama. Gajena Vagatayantam Ramam Chatra Vritahananam. Bring Rama in his beloved elephant. What is the name of his elephant? Shatrunjaya. We studied Shatrunjaya. His beloved elephant gifted by his mama. Kausalya's brother is known as Shatrunjaya. So, Vichchamohi Mahabhagum Raghuveeram Mahabalam Gajena Mahadayantam Ramam Chatravrtananam. Valmiki gives twist. How many spikes that Chatri had? Sweta Chatri. 100. Shatashalakayam. Okay, refresh. So, this happened without even consulting prior. But he knew that Shapa thing was always at the back of his mind. He never told anybody according to Valmiki. Right, but Aaj to Visesh Din. Probably most of you would not have heard all this. This chapter, I had to do lot of interactions, lot of studying. Bhandarkar Institute, I saw. It's good because mera चिंतन शुद्धि, वाक शुद्धि, मन शुद्धि. आज तो पहली बार भारत इतिहास का 3 महा हिंदी साहित्य कविताकार का रचना इस घट्ट के ऊपर हम कहते हैं. व्हाट हैपन? ही इज गोइंग टू गिव अवे हिज लाइफ. ही इज एन ऑर्डिनरी पर्सन, फादर ऑफ अ महाप्रभु. He is wandering, wobbling. You, what happened? What happened? Alas, what happened? What happened? Why this happened? 3 महा रचनाकार. नाम itself पुण्य. एक है राष्ट्र कवि, all are gone. राष्ट्र कवि पद्मभूषण बिरुदालंकृत मैथिली शरण गुप्त. दूसरा छायावादी कवि जयशंकर शर्मा. तीसरा आज तो मानस है तो उसका कारण गीता प्रेस एवं रामायणी कृपाशंकर महाराज कथावाचक. ये तीनों क्या कहता है इस दशरथ जी का स्वर्ग आरोहण, उसी पे चर्चा करूंगा. द अयोध्या मैथिली शरण गुप्त का प्रसिद्ध काव्य साकेत. राम की ऊपर, इट इज नॉट राम के ऊपर, 2 स्त्रियों के ऊपर. Nobody in the world has written about Urmila. Maithili Sharan Gupta focuses Saket on Urmila's Manas Bhav. Our Ma Sita, Saket, Maithili Sharan Gupta. Why we have to take to note Maithili Sharan Gupta? Maithili Sharan Gupta was a great father. Why we say great father? That too I learned from somebody from Gwalior. Because Maithili Sharan Gupta is from Jhansi, Gwalior. Last week, ग्वालियर का प्रसिद्ध हिंदी कविताकार पद्मश्री बिरुदालंकृत महाराज. ही सेज इफ यू हैव टू टॉक ऑन फादर्स डे, दे डोंट नो अबाउट फादर्स डे. मैंने बताया, इफ यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट फादर्स डे, टॉक अबाउट साकेत, मोर अबाउट मैथिली शरण गुप्ता. मैथिली शरण गुप्ता was married 3 times. 2 wives passed away. He had 10 children, 9 children passed away. Only 1 was left. In spite of that, he held on to his life and wrote Saket, wrote Yashodhara, wrote Panchavati. इतना ग्रंथ, स्वर्ण अक्षर में लिखने वाले ग्रंथ, Saket, Yashodhara, Panchavati, जैसा काव्य. So he is a father and he talks about Paramapita. He says Ayodhya was depressed. उपमेयक यह है साकेत यहाँ पर सौख्य शांति सौभाग्य कहा. You cannot call Saket now. When Dasharatha was going away, ये मैथिली शरण गुप्त का रचना. हिंदी, इतना हिंदी सरलता, माधुर्य हिंदी. उपमेय है साकेत. You say what is Saket? Today it is not Saket. पर सौख्य शांति सौभाग्य कहा अभी नहीं. इसके वे तीनों चले गए. कौन तीनों? राम लखन सीता. क्या राम? सौख्य. क्या मां सीता? सौभाग्य. लखन शांति. सौख्य शांति सौभाग्य गए, राम लखन सीता गए. अनुगामी पुरजन चले गए. People are all wandering. पुरजन अयोध्या वासी चल पड़े. So अभी तो अयोध्या नहीं अयोध्या. दशरथ का अंतिम क्षण. मेरे करयुग हाई टूट चुके, कटी टूट चुकी, सुख छूट सुके, आंखों की पथली निकल पड़ी, वह यहीं कहीं है विकल पड़ी. विललाप विकल पड़ी सभी मेरा इंद्रियों. साकर भी वार वार झटके. साकर फ्लम. ये हिंदी को यू हैव टू हैव अ डिक्शनरी. खाकर भी वार वार झटके. It keeps on coming. Look, these people are beyond our imagination. He was an Hindi kavitakar, Mahan kavitakar. How would he know that this is one of the penultimate stage of death? From 15 to 8, he is describing. Flum comes. When the flum keeps on coming, breathing curtails. When the breathing curtails, oxygen gets condensed. The air holes are locked. That's why the airs get condensed and that comes out of the flum. You have to, that is, खाकर भी वार वार झटके, क्यों प्राण अभी तक हैं झटके, हे जीव चलो अब दिन बीते, हा राम राम लखन सीता. दशरथ cries. ये मैथिली शरण गुप्ता says, हे मनुष्य लोग, you have been simply listening to Valmiki Gatha. You all know and we all accept that it is because of Rama Viyog, Dasarath ji Swarg pada rahe hain. But why did this not happen when Bharat was leaving 12 years along with Shatrugna? Hey Manushya, did you people ever think that is Kavita? Otherwise, why would they call him a Rashtra Kavi? This might be my 50th time reading Ramayana. I never imagined. Dhanyo. Can you believe? Why? Bharat leaves. Beautiful. When Bharat leaves along with Shatrugna to his mama's place, Dasaratha was affected. Oh, he cries. Then he tells to Vasishta. Then he tells to us, nobody else told. Vasishta ji, I want to tell you one thing. Long time back I had a shop that when my son are due to Putra Shok, my life will go. Will I give up my life now? Will the Yamaraj take my life now? Can you tell? Vasishta says, don't worry. Beautiful word. या उचित नहीं अस्थैर्य ईश के इंगित के अनुचार हुआ करता है सब व्यापार. वाट हिंदी. ये दशरथ, डोंट वरी, यू विल हैव लाइफ 12 more years. डोंट वरी. क्योंकि यह उचित काल नहीं है उसका चिंतन करने का. ईश के इंगित के अनुसार हुआ करता है सब व्यापार. क्या मीटर ध्वनि. ईश के इंगित माने उसका डिक्टेशन. ईश के इंगित के अनुसार हुआ करता है सब व्यापार. ठीक है इतना कहकर भूप ने आराम किया. सो ही टेल्स, दिस इज ऑल्सो मैथिली शरण गुप्ता. क्या बात. भूप क्या करते थे इसी काल, लेखनी लिख उनका भी हाल. सो लेट मी ऑल्सो राइट अबाउट द हाल ऑफ भूपति. भूप बैठे थे कुलगुरु संग. ऐसा पढ़ना रामायण. भरत का हिता छिड़ा प्रसंग, कहा कुलगुरु ने निस्संदेह, खेद है भरत नहीं जोगे. गृह में भरत नहीं है ये तो खेद होगा. ए गुरु, I think something is going to happen. किंतु ये अवसरता उपयुक्त की नृप हो जावे चिंता मुक्त. भूप बोले हाँ मेरा चित्त विकलता आत्म भविष्य निमित्त. इसी से था मैं अधिक अधीर, आज गई तो कल नहीं शरीर. 12 years back Dasharatha was contemplating how many people, even great Kathavachaks, miss reading Saket. The reference to Saket authenticity comes from the pravachan of Ramayana Ji Maharaj. Dhanya ho. All big people missed. So it is apt. If this Putra Vihog is the reason, Bharat also went away 12 years not knowing what is he doing. No reference to Bharata after he gone. Why did Dasharatha live? Vasishta says that is Ishwar ki ichha. He says, Aaj hai to kal nahi sharir. Beautiful Hindi. मार कर धोखे में मुनि बालक हुआ था मुझको शाप कराल. इतना हिंदी. Then Vilalap, Dasharatha go, he is worried. Now second time he is thinking, definitely this time I will go because it is Ram. मेरा जीवन तो चल जाता है. ये वैष्णव, हम लोग वैष्णव, हम मैं तो वैष्णव. सो फॉर अस इट इज शरणागति. वो गोल पोस्ट ही वो है परमात्मा. प्रमेय, संस्कृत में गोल को प्रमेय करता. एंड प्रापकम, प्राप्यम, प्राप्यम इज गोल, द अटाइनेबल इज राम. हाउ डू वी अटाइन हिम? इट इज ओनली थ्रू हिज करुणा. Prapyam, Prapakam, the path himself is he, the goal himself is he. Hey Ram, I don't know what to do, you are not there, I am going to go away. I am not in Kashi, Athava Putra Sannidhau, you are not there, not even some other Putra, Ram is not there, Lakan is not there. Bharat is not there, Shatrugnan is not there. It is pity. First son did not do Antima Kriya. Second son Bharat was asked not to do Antima Kriya. Third son Lakan was not asked to do, was not there to do Antima Kriya. Who did after all? Fourth son. The least of all eligibility. Then how did Dasharatha go to Swarga? This Sarga is mind-boggling. Hey Pita, you are my Prapya. I don't know what to do. You take me. I have nobody here. Anath Anayaka. Le chal wahan bulawa dekar mere navik dheere dheere. Hey navik, hey bulawa. Dono Parama Purush hai. Because he is the Prapya. Bulavak. He is the one calling you. Aapka karma bandh mukt hua aavo. ले चल वहां बुलावा देकर मेरे नाविक धीरे धीरे. जिस निर्जन में सागर लहरी, वैकुंठ वर्णन, वो यूटोपिया. जिस निर्जन में सागर लहरी, अंबर के कानों में गहरी, निश्चल प्रेम कथा कहती है. वहां निश्चल प्रेम कथा, राम गाता, विष्णु गाता. तद्विष्णो परमं पदगुम सदा पश्यन्ति सूरयः. ये तो छायावादी जयशंकर शर्मा का गाथा. तज कोलाहल की अवनी रे जहां सांझ सी जीवन छाया. मेरा जीवन तो सांझ, अंतिम काल, सायंकाल. हिंदी सुनो. ढीली अपनी कोमल काया, ढील हो गया मेरा काया, इतना सुकुमार था, मैं तो चक्रवर्ती था. नील नयन से डुलकाती हो ताराओं की भांति घनी रे. जिस निर्जन में सागर लहरी, ले चल वहां बुलावा देकर मेरी नावक धीरे धीरे. मैं तो धीरे धीरे आपके पास आ रहा हूं. हे राम, आपका छाया, मधुर छाया वहां है, इधर है. जिस गंभीर मधुर छाया में. बट आई हैव बीन haunted in this world, lot of माया. विश्व चित्रपट छल माया में विभुता विभूषी फड़े दिखाई. दुख सुख भाली सत्य भनी रे, श्रम विश्राम क्षितिज वेला से. क्षितिज वेला से दुख सुख सभी मिलन होता है. There is no difference between सुख and दुख there. That world हे परम प्रभु, जहां सृजन करते मेला से ले चल वहां बुलावा देकर। क्या करना है? मेरे तो अमर जागरण करो, मेरे को ज्ञान दो, भक्ति रूपापन्न ज्ञान दो। दशरथ का विललाप। अमर जागरण उषा नयन से ज्ञान रूपम भक्ति रूपापन्न ज्ञानम बिकराती हो ज्योति गनीरे। मेरे नाविक धीरे धीरे ले चला वहां बुलावा दे कर। श्रम विश्राम क्षिति, आई डोंट हैव एनी पेन एनी मोर, टेक मी। Why Dasharatha said this is his Sharanagati? Because he kept his mind in him. Jitatmanaha prashantasya paramatma samahitaha sitoshnas sukha dukkeshu tata mana apamana yoho. Chhatta adhyay Bhagavad Gita. Jitatmanaha. Because Dasharatha now, at least at the end, after 60,000 years, realized that this is the only tranquility for him is to take refuge in Ram's charan. Jitatmanaha prashanta manasya. Prashant, tranquility, aram se. He forgot. He only thought about Kausalya and Sumitra, because they are none other than the Matao of Ram. Jitatmanaha prashantasya paramatma samahitaha. दशरथा इस परमात्मा, ये परमात्मा तो श्रेष्ठ आत्मा उस परमात्मा से समाहित होने वाला है। शीतोष्ण, he didn't care. Good, bad, 59,000 years he ruled with only one blemish. He didn't bother. Nothing comes with him. Only Ram की दर्शन, राम का नाम। शीतोष्ण सुख दुखेषु तथा मान अपमान योः। He remembers Ram. नीलांबुज श्यामल कोमलांगम सीता समारोपित वामभागम पाणौ महासायक चारु चापम नमामि रामम रघुवंशनाथम। तुलसीदास, संस्कृतवाणी। नीलांबुज श्यामल कोमलांगम, इतना मधुर फ्लोस। Even to me it is like this. Imagine. नीलांबुज श्यामल कोमलांगम सीता समारोपित वामभागम पाणौ महासायक चारु चापम नमामि रामम रघुवंशनाथम। So Dasharatha cries and cries and cries. Hey, you take me. I don't have anything to do. He says that I cannot be separated from you. That is the ultimate Purushartha, to reach him, to reach Mahapurusha. Sa eva mukto harimedaso uddavah pradakshinam tam parisrijya padayo shiro nidaya ashrukulabi ardhrihi nyashinjate dvandaparo apyakramaha. Uddhava Gita, last sloka. Ekadasa Skanda, 29th Sarga, if you remember. Sa eva mukto, Sukha says, why this happened? He gave Jnana Yoga, he gave Karma Yoga, nothing will come to help. Look, hey Maharajan, look, hey Parikshit, look what Sri Krishna preached Uddhava, Bhakti, Sharanagati at his feet. A Bhakta cannot be separated, Atma, Jivatma cannot be separated from Paramatma. See what Uddhava did. Sa eva mukto harimedasa Uddhavaha pradakshinam tam parisrijya padayo shiro nidhaya asru kalabihi ardhrihi nyashinjati dvandaparo apyapakrame. Dvandaparo, this Uddhava, he was such a paramanyani. He didn't care about anything but for Krishna. But when Krishna left, is going to leave to his Swadhama and instructed Uddhava to go to Badrikashram, he could not bear the separation following Dasharatha. He said, hey Krishna, I cannot come, I cannot go to Badrikashram. But Krishna says, you do what I say, because you have to make Uddharan of so many Jivatma. Go there. What did he say? At least give me a chance to do Pradakshinam and then hold your feet. Sa eva mukto hari medasaha, hari medhavi Krishna Uddhavaha pradakshinam tam parisrijya padayo shiro nidaya. He was crying. Uddhava Gita ends. अश्रुकुलाभिः आर्धि इतना इतना दुख न्यशिंजति द्वंद्वपरा माने who is devoid of all the material interest. Apyapakrame, when he was leaving, when Krishna was leaving, he says, hey Krishna, who are you? Bayam apahantum jnana vijnanasaram nigamakrite upachakre bhringavati vedasaram amritamuddhita chapapayadate brityavargane purusham आद्यम पुरुषम ऋषभम आद्यम कृष्ण संज्ञम नतोस्मि. ये श्लोक कंठस्थ करना. हे पुरुषा, हे ऋषभा, हे राम. व्हाट दशरथा डिड, एकादश स्कंद में व्यास लिखता है उद्धव का रूप से. भव भव भय अपहंतुम, ये राम, ये कृष्णा, यू आर द वन हु इज गोइंग टू टेक मी आउट ऑफ दिस भवसागरा. भव भय अपहंतुम ज्ञान विज्ञान सारम. यू हैव गिवन सो मच नॉलेज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वेदा, गीता. ज्ञान विज्ञान सारम निगम कृति. You forced nigama into, not only nigama kriti, you made veda, you forced it on to us. Bhringavati vedasaram, like bringa, like this honeybee goes and goes to many flowers and takes the important qualities, swadu, madhu. Likewise, you are given this, what? So much veda you gave, so much shastra you gave, for this stick mind nothing else. But you just recited the Gita. That is enough. Dusra time, Uddhava Gita, Bhakti Gita. Nigama kriti upajachre, forced on me. Bhringavati vedasaram amritamuddhita chapapapayati. Amritamuddhita, it's like the ocean of Bandar, Amrita Jnana Bandar, Brityavargan for people like me. Hey Krishna, who are you? Now I understood. Like Dasaratha says, that is, today we will finish with that. What all the kavis and gathas have written about the last sloka, Taraka mantra. In Paschima religion they call last rite. Dasaratha gives us last rites, which Vyasa follows with this name. Purusham, Rishabham, Adhyam, Krishnam. Krishnam mane not color. Krishibhu Achaka. You are the one who takes care of the entire world. Krishnam, Krishibhu Achaka Sabdaha. Purusham, Rishabham. Rishabham mane Shastra mein itna dridata. It is not like this bull. Purusham, you are the Purusha. Okay. Rishabham, Adhyam, Anantam, Krishna Sangyam, Natosmi. Likewise, Dasaratha didn't know what to do. His GCS level, EVM, has come from 15 to 8. He now understood, this is my problem. I now know. Shastra says, Karye hi asya bhavet yesha punya punyamiti sruti. I have done some good thing. Adbhuta Ramayana. We said that we will see all Ramayana. Moola Ramayana pada, तुलसी पढ़ा, संस्कृत गाथा पढ़ा तुलसी का, जयशंकर शर्मा छायावादी गीता पढ़ा, साकेत पढ़ा, रामायणी we have to study. कार्ये हि अस्य भवेत् द्वेषा पुण्या पुण्यमिति श्रुतिः तद्वासादेव सर्वेषां सर्वदेह समुद्भवा. You have to take the responsibility. Karya eva sarvesham. Your act. If you do good act, you will get good act. If you do bad act, it is a bad act. I have taken the phala of good act. That is why I begot Rama. That is why I begot a daughter-in-law like Sita. That is why, hey Kausalya, I begot a woman like you as my Pratama Patta Magishi. That is the reason. Tapasvini, Valmiki says here, Sumitra, he addresses Sumitra. Hey Tapasvini Sumitra, my life is going away. Come. Only 2 people were with him. This happens on the 6th night. 6th night, dark night is coming to your close. Suspense. Valmiki creates a suspense. Everybody gone. Kausalya, old Vriddhi. She is there. And Sumitra is there. He addresses them. Hey Kausalye Tapasvini Sumitre. My life is going away. I can see Sprusha Sadhumam. Kausalya, I cannot hear, I cannot see. Na chakshu pashyami, I am not seeing. So, eyesight is gone. Point number 1, mark 1. I'm getting confused. I don't know what is going on. So, the verbal sense has come from 5 to 3. 1 plus 3, 4. Then my hands are all shrinking, flexion. Deep flexion. So, from 6 to 3, 6 to 3, 6 to 4. So 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 8. 15 to 8, entering the stage of coma. कार्ये हि अस्य भवेत् येषा punya punyamiti shruti. I have heard that there is punya, there is apunya, and every karya rests on that. Tadvashadeva sarvesham. Your own act, you are responsible for your own act. Please learn to take responsibility, which I did when I was 25 years old. I admitted my mistake. That is the reason I was alive to begot Rama. He tapasvini. Sarvesham sarvadeha samudbhava. Everybody has to take that responsibility. So he is going to give away. His eyes blossomed. His eyes blossomed such. He says, oh, Dasharatha, I was thinking, Valmiki was trembling. Valmiki said, we didn't know that Valmiki is the friend of Dasharatha. So Valmiki says that, oh, what is happening? Valmiki is sitting on the Sarayu banks and is seeing what is going on. Oh, my friend is suffering. Mera mitra to itna kashta padta hai. Antima pankti mein Chakravarti Narendra Maharaj Shri Dasarath ke mitra Adi Kavi Maharshi Valmiki apni bhavanjali shabda roop se kahta. I told you, Ramayani Maharaj, look at this. Valmiki to, he could not see the suffering of his friend Dasharatha. What is he doing? He is doing Pushpanjali in the form of Shabdambali. Valmiki Ramayana, Ayodhya Kand mein, instead of Pushpanjali, Valmiki is doing Shabdanjali to Dasharatha. हे मेरे मित्र, हे राम के वात्सल्यमय पिता, हे भारतीय संस्कृति के स्तंभ, मैं आपके चरित्र को 6 अक्षरों में गुप्त कर रहा हूँ. 6 अक्षर में वो दशरथ का अंतिम अक्षर, उदार दर्शन, उदार दर्शन. मैं आपका जीवन को 6 अक्षर में समाप्त करता हूं. आप तो उदार दर्शन. I said 3 people, Maithili Sharan, Jaishankar Sharma, Abhi Ramayani. पावन. अंतिम पंक्ति चक्रवर्ती नरेंद्र महाराज श्री दशरथ को मित्र आदि कवि महर्षि वाल्मीकि अपनी भावांजलि. भाव ये तो चल रहा है. कौन है ये? साधारण आदमी नहीं, ये तो परम पुरुष का पिता. पितरम रोचयामास दशरथम. राम मेड श्योर दैट ही विल बी ओनली born to Dasharatha, not Ram, Madhav to me. He is nothing, we are nothing. He selected Dasharatha and Dasharatha is going away. I am finishing, hey Mitra, I am finishing your life with 6 letters. Udhara Darshana. Why we call you Udhara Darshana? Because it is Viruddha. Valmiki said, Chakshuhu Pashyabhyam na. I am not able to see. Then how can Valmiki finish contradictory to his saying that you have a Udhara Darshana? He is Udhara Darshana because he is a nobleman. Udarata. Is Udarata kaisa दिखता है? ये उदारता तो राम के रूप में, लखन के रूप में, भरत जी के रूप में, शत्रुघ्न रूप में दिखता, आज भी दिखता. इसीलिए उदार दर्शन. We are here, Ramayana is here, it is because of Dasharatha. He did the Aswamedha Yaga and he did not take, that is the thing, Udarata. He did not keep Ram to himself, he gave Ram to the world to go to forest. Otherwise there is no Ravana Hatya. Udhara Darshana. He didn't keep, no Swartha, Nishwartha, Udhara Darshana. See, 6, nobody wrote Vyakyana like this. Dhanya ho. Kya? 6 letter, Val Ramayan Khatam. Udhara Darshana. So, छठवीं दिन राम के वनवास का छठवीं दिन, 6th night, 5th night Sumantra comes. 6th night, the light has become so dark. It is not Ayodhya. Sharanagupta says, Upame yeh hai saket nahi, par saukya shanti saubhagya nahi. So saket nahi, ye to avad nahi. Dark. Vaivasata, Surya, sun, Yama is waiting. Eagerly is watching time. Not a second more, not a second less. Karma. Ha Raghava, ha Mahabo, slokas after slokas, Sharanagati, Valmiki does, Giridhara Das does, Tulsi Das does. हा राघव आ महाबाहो मम आयाश नाशना, हा पितृप्रिय मे नाथ, हा राघव मेरे नाविक बुलावा देकर, मेरे नाविक ले चले धीरे धीरे। हा राघव वाल्मीकि शब्द। आ रघुनंदन प्राण पीरीते, तुम्हा बिनु जिहत बहुत दिन बीते। तुलसी सेम थिंग डिट्टो। हा रघुनंदन प्राण पीरीते, मेरे प्राण मेरे प्रिय पुत्र। हा जानकी हा लखन हा रघुबर, आ पितु हित चित चातक जलधर, हा राघव हा महाभागो मम आया शांति दो, माया मम आयाश नाशना। Tulasidas gives a big punch. Watch this. राम राम कही राम कही, राम राम कही रामा। Watch. राम राम कही राम कही, राम राम कही रामा। गिनो। तनु परिहरी रघुबर बिरहु, राव गयव सुधामा। राम राम कही चार, राम राम कही राम कही, राम राम कही रामा। कितना? 6। राम राम कही राम कही, राम राम कही रामा। क्यों ऐसा अलग रख दिया तुलसी ने? इसी आंसर चंद के लिए। चलो, 60,000 years दशरथा लिव्ड। ये संकेत है फॉर ईच 10,000 years उसका पाप को जाने के लिए एक राम। धन्य वो। राम राम कही राम कही, राम राम कही रामा। ये महान कवि। हा राम हा गुणनिधे, आ सीता प्रियवादिनी। वाल्मीकि अद्भुत रामायण। फेंट हुआ दशरथ जी। आरत नाद तीरे पोकायुर राये रामनु नाम। आरत से वो ध्वनि तो वीक पड़ा। आरत नाद तीरे पोकारयू, राये रामनु नाम। देह मूकी दशरथे प्राण गया, कहते हे राम। राम राम रघुवीर कहता, तज्या भूपे प्राण रे। आहाकार हवो तदा, सहु सभी रुधन करे निर्वाण। राम राम कही राम कही, राम राम कही रामा। रघुनंदन प्राण परीते, तुम बिनु जिगत बहुत दिन बीते। चल बसे सभी कवि शुद्ध, वेदर इट इज गुजराती, संस्कृत, अवध। कैसा राम नाम, पावन नाम। अगणित गुण गण भूषण राम, आश्रित वत्सल जय जय राम। अयोध्यावासी सीता राम, आभद्बांधव जय जय राम। अगणित गुण गण भूषण राम। सभी रानियों घोष करते, अगणित गुण गण भूषण राम, आश्रित वत्सल जय जय राम। अयोध्यावासी सीता राम, आभद्बांधव जय जय राम। दशरथ नंदन श्री राम, दशमुख मर्दन जय जय राम। कौसल्या सुख वर्धन राम, कामितफलदा जय जय राम पाप विमोचन श्रीराम पट्टाभिराम जय जय राम जानकी वल्लभ सीताराम जय रघुराम श्री रघुराम वानर सेवित श्रीराम वारिधि वंदन श्रीराम हनुमत् पूजित सीताराम श्रीराम जय जय राम हनुमत् सेवित सीताराम श्रीराम जय जय राम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम श्रीराम जय राम श्रीराम जय जय राम देह मुकीत दशरथे प्राण गए कहते हे राम बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र जी की अवमान सुदुडुपटु पादार इंदमुलकु निनाम रूपमुलकु नित्य जय मंगलम मंगलम गोसलेन्द्राय महनीय गुणाब्दये चक्रवर्ती तनूजाय सार्वभौमाय मंगलम मंगलानि सन्तु शुभम्।